This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys 4 ways to go to the backspin. But before I start, I would like to take this moment to thank our sponsors, Catbeast. So if you want to customize snapback or any cap, do check out catbeast.com. I'm going to put the link on the description below. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. So the very first transition that I'm going to show you guys is the most basic transitions, which is we're going to start from the jet spin to the backspin, alright? So if you are counterclockwise like me, you're going to put your left leg and make sure it's straight and bend your right leg. If you are clockwise, then do the reverse of what I'm doing here. Now the very first step is you're going to start from this pose, and next step is you're going to slowly put your body down. The way you're gonna doing this is easier when you slowly place your elbow first and then follow by your back. Alright? So one more time. Elbow, back. Now while you're doing that, your right leg, which is the bending leg, is gonna start to give the momentum by swinging over to your face, alright? So it's not kicking your face, instead you want to swing over as close as possible to your face. This allows you to bring your hip much higher while doing the backspin, which is the correct backspin. So when you do backspin, you're not spinning here, instead you want to spin on the back here as high as possible. Alright, so now let's combine all of that and let's see how the backspin looks. Just split, bend your right leg, straighten out your left leg. For the second transition, is from standing up to backspin. And actually I already did this tutorial, so if you want more in-depth info about this move and the tutorial, you can check out my video. But for now, I'm just gonna quickly go through every single step of it. Alright, so standing up, you're gonna place your right hand on the ground, followed by your left hand, alright? So standing, right and left. From there, you're going to bring your body up and slowly swing your left leg over to the ground. When you're doing that, you're going to place your left elbow down first, followed by your back. Alright, so let's compile all of that. Now for the third transition, it's very similar with the second one because you're going to do it from standing up. But this time we're going to do it from coin drop instead of all the steps you're going to do. This time it's just coin drop to the backspin. So it's more simple, but for the difficulty wise, I think this one is a little bit more harder compared to the second one. Alright, so if you can do backspin and coin drop, then this one should be no problem. But if you can't do coin drop, then you want to start learning coin drop first and then try this out. We're just going to do the simple coin drop, alright? Place your right hand, bring your left hand up. Now you're gonna swing your left hand over to your right hand. At the same time, you're gonna slowly bring and place your back to the ground. When you're doing that, automatically your legs already in the air to follow with the movement. So again, right hand on the ground, left hand swing over. Place your upper body back on the ground and then keep the spinning going. Alright, this is how it looks. Now for the last transition, we're going to do it from the floor rocks. Alright, so I think this is the best transition you can do for your backspin because you want to make sure that your set looks connected to each other and also looks cool. Then this is the one that you should be learning. But if you're having problem learning floor rocks, I'm gonna put the link on top here. You can check that out first because I already did the tutorial. Master that and then come back here and mix and match with your backspin. Alright, so now let's try it out. So there are a lot of ways to go into floor rocks. I'm just gonna choose one, which is gonna put my right knee on the ground, slowly transit to my right thigh. Alright, from here, swing my left leg to the back like this, followed by my right leg. Okay, now from here can see that my body, I'm gonna slowly switch from here to facing up here. Okay, so one more time. Right knee on the ground. Swing, swing. Now, when you already get into this part, you can see that my left leg here is the momentum leg. This leg is gonna swing over to build the momentum so that I can go to backspin. Here you go guys, the 4 transitions to backspin. As I said earlier, there are a few moves into master, such as the floor rocks and also the coin drop, but don't worry about that because I already did the tutorial. I'm gonna put the link on the description below as well. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe to this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.